Hello guys, I am CS Nagar and this is my fifth video. In this video, we will start from question number 6 because question number 1 to 5 we did in our previous video. So let's start question number 6. Simplify cos theta matrix into matrix cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta matrix sin theta minus cos theta and second row cos theta sin theta. Solution. First matrix multiplied by this cos theta. So every element of this matrix will be multiplied by this cos theta. So cos theta into cos theta, that is cos square theta. Cos theta into sin theta, which is sin theta into cos theta, and cos theta into minus sin theta, which is minus sin theta into cos theta, and cos theta into cos theta, that is cos square theta, plus same as this matrix also multiplied by sin theta. So every element of this matrix will be multiplied by sin theta, and you will get the answer like this: sin square sin into sin square sin into cos sin theta into cos theta. Now we will find the sum of these two matrices. So first element will be added by first, second element will be added to second. It means corresponding element will be added to each other. So a11 to a11. So cos square theta plus sin square theta, first element. Second element, sin theta into cos theta plus minus sin theta into cos theta. Same as here, minus sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta, and last 8 to 2, which is cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now sin theta into cos theta will be cancelled out, so it will be 0, and you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is 1. So our answer is 1001. Now next question number 7. Find matrix x and y if first part x plus y, which is matrix 7025, and x minus y, which is 3003, and second part 2x plus 3y, which is matrix 2340, and 3x plus 2y, which is matrix 2 minus 2 minus 1 and 5. Now let's see the solution of first part. Since x plus y, which is 7025, give equation number 1, and x minus y, which is 3003, give equation number 2. By 1 plus 2 we get x plus y plus x minus y, here y cancel out, and right side 7025 plus 3003. Now x and x 2x, and right side find the sum of these two matrices. So 7 plus 3, that is 10, 0 plus 0, which is 0, 2 plus 0, which is 2, and 5 plus 3, that is 8. So here 2x is equal to 10, 0, 2 and 8. So x is equal to divided by 2, so it will be 1 by 2 into matrix 10, 0, 2 and 8. Now every element of this matrix divided by 2. So matrix x is 5, 0, 1 and 4. Now from equation number 1, since our equation number 1 is x plus y, which is 7, 0, 2 and 5. So in place of x, put this value 5, 0, 1 and 4 and transfer into right side. So matrix y is equal to 7025 minus x, it means 5014. Now find the difference of these two matrices. 7 minus 5, that is 2, 0 minus 0, which is 0, 2 minus 1, it means only 1, and 5 minus 4, it means 1. So matrix y is 2011. This is our answer. Now second part of question number 7, which is 2x plus 3y, that is 2340, give equation number 1, and 3x plus 2y, which is 2 minus 1 and 5, give equation number 2. Let's see here, this is the coefficient of x, and this is here 2 and here 3. So equation number 1, which is multiplied by this 3, and equation number 2, which is multiplied by this 2, because here we use elimination method, and first we eliminate x. So equation number 1 when multiplied by 3, so every element multiplied by 3. So 3 into 2, that is 6x, 3 into 3, that is 9y, and every element 2 into 3, that is 6, 3 into 3, that is 9, 3 into 4, 12, and 0 into 3, which is 0. Now second equation, which is multiplied by 2. So 3 into 2, 6, 2 into 2, 4y. Now 2 into 2, 4, This is minus 4, this is minus 2, and 5 into 2, that is 10. Now change the sign and 6x cancel out. 9y minus 4y, that is 5y. Now difference of these two matrices. So first write this matrix, after that second. Now 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4, after that 9 minus minus plus 4, 12 minus minus plus 2, and 0 minus 10. So 5y is equal to 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4, it means 2, 12 plus 2, that is 14, 9 plus 4, 13, and this is minus 10, and this 5 transfer into right side, so it will be 1 upon 5. Now every element divided by this 5. So y is equal to 2 upon 5, 14 upon 5, 13 upon 5, and minus 10 upon 5, that is minus 2. Now in equation number 1, once again multiplied by 2, and second equation which is multiplied by 3. Now we want to element y. So this 2 multiplied on equation number 1, and this is 3 which is multiplied in equation number 2. So every element of equation number 1 which is multiplied by 2. So 2 into 2, that is 4x, and 2 into 3, that is 6y. Now every element which is multiplied by 4, so it is 4, and if multiplied by 2, it is 6, 4, 6, and this is 8 and 0, 4, 6, 8, 0. See, 4, 6, 8, and 0. Now second equation which is multiplied by 3, so 3 into 3, that is 9x. Once again 2, 3 into 2, which is 6y. Now every element multiplied by 3, this is 3, 3 into 2, 6, so it is 6 minus 6, and minus 3 and 15, 6 minus 6, let's see here, 6 minus 3, minus 3 and 15. Once again subtract these two equation, minus minus, change the sign, 6y cancel out, the difference is minus 5x. First write first matrix, and after that second matrix. Now minus 5x equal to 4 minus 6, 6 minus minus plus 6, 8 minus minus plus 3, and 0 minus 15. So minus 5 transfer to right side, so it will be minus 1 upon 5. 4 minus 6, it means minus 2, 8 plus 3, that is 11, 6 and 6, 12, and this is minus 15. Now every element divided by minus 1 upon 5. So minus minus cut, 2 upon 5. This is minus 11 upon 5. This is minus 12 upon 5, and last once again minus minus cut, and 15 divided by 5, you will get only 3. This is matrix X, and we already find out matrix Y. So it is our answer. Now question number 8 and question number 9, it is homework for you. In question number 8, find the matrix X if matrix Y is equal to 3, 2, 1, and 4, and 2x plus y, which is equal to 1, 0, minus 1, and 5. And answer is here. And one more question, question number 9, find x and y, small x and small y, if 2 times matrix 1, 3, 0, x plus y, 0, 1, and 2, and right side 5, 6, 1, and 8, and answer is x equal to 3 and y also 3. So best of luck.